After a really long, heavy rain, my chimney apparently was leaking, and then I had this big bubble of water under the paint. I've never seen anything like it before. The main thing I really liked was that they took a bunch of pictures because they were up on the roof, and when they were done, they could come down from the roof and show me what was wrong and what was happening. Then also they noticed something else, that I must have some kind of squirrel or something that gets on the roof and chews on one of my vents, and they were able to repair that vent too while they were up there. What I noticed even in getting the information and the estimates, that it was very thorough, and it showed me all different kinds of roofing materials and the guarantees with them and everything, where someone else would just give me one little paragraph quote with no details about the materials or anything. I think they have a good attention to detail, and I want information. There's no more leak. Satisfied enough that I went ahead and redid that wall after it was damaged, painted it and everything, so. Definitely would recommend Kelley. I really like them.